This ASOPARTS master power window switch with tan bezel is designed to look and feel like the original control panel on early 2000s General Motors trucks and sport utility vehicles, so it does not stand out as an aftermarket part. It supports power windows, door locks, and mirror folding functions in one integrated unit, which keeps the driver controls convenient and uncluttered. The switch is engineered to match factory specifications and pin configuration, so it plugs into the original harness without splicing and typically installs in only a short time with basic hand tools. Owners of Chevrolet, GMC, Cadillac, and Hummer models from this era will appreciate the broad compatibility that lets one part cover many popular trucks and sport utility vehicles. The housing uses durable engineering plastics that resist heat, sun exposure, and repeated button presses, which helps the switch hold up well in daily use. Each unit is tested for proper function and endurance before shipping, reducing the chance of getting a switch with sticky buttons or intermittent window operation.